Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Araceli. If you guys aren't subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button up on top. Please make sure to hit that notification bell. That way you guys can be notified every time I make a video. I'm so excited to be reviewing the Soph x Makeup Revolution palette. I will link everything that you guys need to know down below. If you guys would like to see how I got this look using her palette, then just keep on watching. The Soph x Makeup Revolution palette. We're going in with Fairy Light. Such a pretty color, and all I'm doing is mainly like tapping. There is a little bit of follow, but not too much. We are gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics fluffy brush. So we're gonna take this iced coffee color and we are going to use that as our transition color. So just kind of focus it there. Do our crease area like so. Sorry if you guys hear noise in the background. There's people just driving crazy. It's okay if you bring it down a little bit because either way we're adding color to our lid, so it's all good. Oh, and by the way, if you guys don't know, me and my fiance have a vlog channel. I will link a card somewhere in this video. Subscribe to our vlog channel. You guys need to go and support. I've seen some of you guys did subscribe, but I know a lot of you have not, so make sure you go and subscribe and support me and my fiance's vlog channel. And then we're gonna go in with my crown brush, fluffy brush. It's the C412 pointed crease brush with the color Tiramisu, which is under iced coffee. Oh, there it is, right here. It's kind of like a mauve-y light neutral. I don't even know if that's really how to describe the color. Taking a little bit and then going in here on the crease as well. Go back and forth lightly, not too much, but lightly, and just blend. And then we're just building it up. That's all we're doing. Just dragging it outward just a tad. And we're gonna go in with my Sigma E35. I use this brush all the damn time. We're gonna go in with the color Danger, which is another kind of like right there. There's the color Danger. And I'm just gonna add that to the crease and kind of like deepen it up some more. And if you guys hear my dog, I'm sorry. He's like laying right over here. He's snoring away. I'm sure you guys can hear him. Maybe not. See how it's getting a little darker? So that's what we're gonna be doing. Just kind of intensify the crease area before we start smoking the lid out with the black. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. So it's just a flat brush with the color Nightmare, which is just a black. So that's what I'm gonna do there. And I came to the conclusion that the black is not that pigmented, but you know what? We're just gonna work with it. So we're just packing that on the lid, and as you guys can see, I'm just packing it. I'm not swiping back and forth or anything like that. I'm just packing it on. And it is buildable, but it's not as pigmented as it looks on the pan itself. Now that we have the black, we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. So we're gonna take the color Pumpkin, which is like a orangey kind of color. Add that to the crease to blend that black into all the other colors. So just blending that out. Blending, making sure there's no harsh lines, and it's okay if you go outwards a little bit because all we're gonna do is clean it up later. I just like how the black just brings out the eyes and stuff. I think it looks good. So now that I have both eyeballs done, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face, and I will be right back to give you guys my final thoughts on the Soph x Makeup Revolution. Alright you guys, so I am back. So let's go on with the packaging. I like it because it's just, I don't know, it's very eye-catching. It has like a little cheetah type print on it. And it's just super eye-catching, first off. It's by Makeup Revolution. And it's by Soph Does Nails here on YouTube. I will link her channel down below. $15 at Ulta. You cannot beat it. You get 24 eyeshadows. You get a mixture of matte shadows, and then you get a mixture of shimmer shadows. Here are the colors that they show you on the back. These, obviously, as you guys can tell, are my go-to type of colors. You have nudes, you have vibrant, you just have every color that you can think of, and I'm a warm tone type of girl, nude type of girl, so I love these so much, and you can't go wrong. For $15, you cannot beat it. So you have a mirror here, and then you have the names of the eyeshadows on this clear thing. Are the colors. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of shimmer in there, and then you have your mattes, and I just love every color. They are so pretty. I just love them all. I'm so happy that I picked this up. If you guys are looking for, even this is good for a travel type of palette because it's not too big, it's not too small. There's not that much fallout, so I must say it's a go. What else, you guys? I think that's basically it. Already talked about the price range, the shadows. It's more of like a neutral type of palette with a little bit of color in it. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.